Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about few Windows keyboard shortcuts that can make your life easier. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And this video is sponsored to you by TY Wear Your Trend. I'll be providing the link in the description. You can go check out their collection. And now, let's get into the video. So here the first shortcut is to switch between the tabs that are already open. For this, you need to hold on to Alt button plus tab, and you can keep clicking on this, hitting on this tab button to switch between the tabs. And if I want to go to this edge, I can just go here and then release my fingers. And let's say that if I go back to the PC Tips Pro YouTube page, again I can do this and come back without using my mouse. And then the second shortcut is you can just hold the Windows button plus up or down keys to minimize or maximize your tabs. In this way you can use your up and down arrows along with your Windows key to minimize or maximize a tab. And the last shortcut is you can hit on this Windows plus T to move between the tabs in the taskbar. So let me just do that, Windows plus T. So I can just move between the apps here and I can choose one. So I hope that these three shortcuts can help you in some or the other situation. And this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.